India is a land of diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Each state in this vast country offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, making it a mosaic of experiences waiting to be explored. Maharashtra, a state in western India, perfectly embodies this diversity. It is a land where tradition meets modernity, and nature's splendor is on full display. From the towering peaks of the Western Ghats, which are a haven for trekkers and nature enthusiasts, to the sun-kissed beaches of the Konkani coast, where the waves gently kiss the shore, creating a serene and picturesque setting, Maharashtra offers a visual feast for travelers. Its landscapes are as varied as they are beautiful, providing endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Maharashtra's diverse geography supports a wide range of flora and fauna. The state's rich biodiversity is a testament to its varied ecosystems, from coastal regions to mountainous terrains. The state is home to dense forests, sparkling rivers, and fertile plains. These natural features not only enhance its beauty, but also sustain its agricultural and ecological balance. Ancient forts and historic caves dot the landscape, whispering tales of a bygone era. These structures stand as silent witnesses to the region's rich history and cultural evolution. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or a glimpse into India's rich past, Maharashtra has something to offer every traveler. From thrilling adventure activities to peaceful retreats and historical explorations, Maharashtra has something to offer every traveler. Its diverse travel experiences cater to all kinds of interests and preferences, ensuring that every visitor finds something to cherish. Let us embark on a journey to discover the most scenic spots in this enchanting state. Each destination has its own story, its own charm, and its own unique appeal. Come along as we delve into the heart of Maharashtra's natural beauty. Experience the tranquility of its landscapes and the vibrancy of its culture. Discover the wonders that await you in this captivating Indian state. Maharashtra is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its shores. The Western Ghats, also known as the Sahyadri Mountains, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. They form a breathtaking backdrop to Maharashtra's landscape. These ancient mountains are home to an incredible variety of plant and animal life. The Ghats are older than the Himalayas. They are one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biodiversity. Over 5,000 flowering plant species thrive in this region. The Western Ghats are not just visually stunning, they play a vital role in influencing the Indian monsoon weather patterns. They are truly a natural wonder. The Western Ghats offer a plethora of attractions for nature enthusiasts. Numerous waterfalls cascade down the mountain slopes, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The monsoon season, from June to September, breathes life into these waterfalls. They become a sight to behold. Some of the most famous waterfalls in the Ghats include Lingmala Waterfall, Dudhsagar Falls, and Thosagar Falls. The Ghats are also home to several serene lakes. These lakes offer boating and picnicking opportunities. They provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Konkani coast stretches along the western edge of Maharashtra. It is a region where the Arabian Sea meets lush green hills. This coastline is dotted with picturesque beaches, coconut groves, and quaint villages. The Konkani coast is known for its laid-back atmosphere and delicious seafood. It offers a welcome respite from the heat and humidity of the mainland. The region is easily accessible from Mumbai. Whether you are looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an adventurous road trip, the Konkani coast has something to offer everyone. It is a true coastal paradise. Section 5. Coastal charms, beaches, temples, and historic forts. The Konkani coast boasts a string of pristine beaches. These beaches offer a tranquil escape for travelers seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. Some popular beaches include Alibag, Ganpatipul, and Tarkali. The region is also home to several ancient temples. These temples showcase intricate carvings and religious significance. The Ganpatipul temple, dedicated to Lord Ganesha, is a major pilgrimage site. Dotting the coastline are historic forts. These forts stand as reminders of the region's rich past. The forts of Sindhudurg and Vijayadurg are notable for their architectural grandeur and strategic locations. Section 6. Escape to the hills. Mahabaleshwar, Queen of Hill Stations. Mahabaleshwar, perched at an altitude of 1,353 meters, is a popular hill station in the Western Ghats. It is often referred to as the Queen of Hill Stations. Mahabaleshwar offers breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and valleys. During the British Raj, Mahabaleshwar served as the summer capital of the Bombay Presidency. The colonial influence is still evident in the town's architecture and atmosphere. The town is known for its pleasant climate, strawberry farms, and numerous viewpoints. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks, horseback riding, and boating on Vena Lake. Mahabaleshwar is an ideal destination for a rejuvenating getaway. Section 7. Matharan, a tranquil retreat in the Sahyadri range. Matharan, another gem of the Sahyadri range, is a unique hill station. It is completely free of motorized vehicles. This makes it a pollution-free paradise for nature lovers. Matharan offers over 30 designated viewpoints. These viewpoints provide stunning panoramic views of the surrounding hills and valleys. The most popular way to explore Matharan is on foot or by horseback. Visitors can also enjoy a ride on the charming toy train. This train winds its way through the hills, offering scenic views along the way. Matharan is a perfect destination for a peaceful retreat. Section 8. Beyond the popular destinations, hidden gems of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state that is often celebrated for its bustling cities and famous landmarks, but there is so much more to explore beyond the well-trodden paths. While the Western Ghats and the Konkan coast are undoubtedly the most popular tourist destinations in Maharashtra, the state has many hidden gems waiting to be discovered. These lesser-known spots offer a different kind of charm and tranquility away from the crowds. These off-the-beaten-path destinations offer a unique glimpse into the state's natural beauty and cultural heritage. From secluded beaches to ancient forts, Maharashtra's hidden gems are a treasure trove for the curious traveler. One such hidden gem is Bandadara. This picturesque hill station is a perfect getaway for those looking to unwind in nature's lap. It is a hill station nestled in the Sahyadri Mountains, offering breathtaking views and a peaceful environment. It is known for its serene lake, cascading waterfalls, and ancient temples. The tranquil Arthur Lake and the majestic Randa Falls are must-visit spots here. Another hidden gem is Chikhaldara. This hill station is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. It is a hill station in the Amravati district, surrounded by lush greenery and offering a cool climate. It is known for its wildlife sanctuary, panoramic views, and coffee plantations. The Melghat Tiger Reserve and the scenic viewpoints are highlights of this region. For those seeking adventure, Maharashtra offers trekking trails, rock climbing opportunities, and whitewater rafting experiences. The Sahyadri range is a haven for trekkers, while the Kundalika River is perfect for rafting. The state has something to offer every kind of traveler. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or an adventure seeker, Maharashtra's hidden gems promise an unforgettable experience. Section 9. The cultural tapestry, festivals, cuisine, and the people. Maharashtra's scenic beauty is complemented by its rich cultural heritage. The state is known for its vibrant festivals, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most popular festivals in Maharashtra. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm and zeal. During this festival, idols of Lord Ganesha are installed in homes and public pandals. Maharashtra is a melting pot of cultures. This is reflected in its diverse cuisine. From spicy street food to rich and flavorful curries, Maharashtra offers a culinary journey for food enthusiasts. Section 10. Maharashtra, a sensory delight for every traveler. Maharashtra is a state that engages all your senses, offering a rich tapestry of experiences that are sure to leave a lasting impression. From the breathtaking views of the Western Ghats, where the mountains rise majestically and the lush green hills stretch as far as the eye can see, to the soothing sound of waves crashing on the pristine beaches of the Konkan coast, where the sea meets the shore in a symphony of nature, from the intoxicating aroma of spices that fill the bustling markets, each scent telling a story of its own, to the mouth-watering taste of delicious Maharashtrian cuisine, a culinary journey that tantalizes your taste buds with every bite, and from the genuine warmth and hospitality of the people, whose smiles and greetings make you feel right at home, to the vibrant colors and lively energy of its festivals, where traditions come alive in a burst of music, dance, and celebration. Maharashtra offers a complete sensory experience that is both diverse and immersive. Whether you are a nature lover, an adventure enthusiast seeking thrills, a history buff eager to explore ancient landmarks, or a foodie on the hunt for new flavors, Maharashtra has something unique and special to offer you at every turn. So pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable journey to this enchanting state, where every moment is a new discovery. Maharashtra awaits you with open arms, ready to share its wonders and stories. Come and discover the magic of this incredible Indian state, and let Maharashtra captivate your heart and soul. Section 11. What's next on your travel list? We've journeyed through the diverse landscapes and cultural richness of Maharashtra. From the majestic western Ghats to the tranquil Konkani coast, we've explored some of India's most captivating scenery. Each location offers a unique blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and local charm. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What other parts of the world spark your wanderlust? Is there a particular region or country you'd like us to explore next? Share your travel aspirations in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this virtual journey through Maharashtra, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel explorations.